Hello everyone, good day. Nice to see you again. Right, in this video, I will explain about my process essay. So let's get started.
Alright everyone, this is my process essay. So I will explain about my process essay from the beginning part until the last part of process essay. So it means that start from the introductory paragraph until the concluding paragraph. Alright everyone, let's go start it. So as you can see here, my essay, the form of my essay, the graphic organizer of my essay only consists one body paragraph because I use the type of essay the graphic organizer 1. If you're watching my previous video, I will explain the theories how to write a process essay, so you can find the example, the form of a graphic organizer 1. So my essay, in my process essay, I use graphic organizer 1, the first graphic organizer. So it consists only one body paragraph, as you can see here, as a long body paragraph and concluding paragraph, and the first part is introductory paragraph. Right, first I will explain my introductory paragraph. So this is my introductory paragraph, and this introductory paragraph introduce the main topic and also consists of thesis statement. So di dalam paragraf pembuka saya memperkenalkan dulu topik main topiknya. Nah, di sini saya membahas tentang self confident. Nah, dapat teman-teman lihat di dalam paragraf pembuka ini, di dalam introductory paragraph, saya memperkenalkan self confident itu apa dan selanjutnya seperti apa. Dan di akhir, that in the introductory paragraph also consists the thesis statement. So everyone, this is my thesis statement, and in my thesis statement I use expression for stage, and this thesis statement tells the number of stages to build self-confidence. So di dalam thesis statement yang saya buat ini, saya mengekspresikan 4 tahap. 4 tahap. Nah, di sini saya menyebutkan nomor dari tahap yang dapat membantu kita untuk membangun kepercayaan diri kita sendiri. Seperti itu. Nah, di sini saya menyebutkan nomor dari tahap sebuah proses untuk membangun kepercayaan diri, seperti itu. Alright friends, the next part of a process essay is body part. So because I use a graphic organizer 1, the first graphic organizer, or we can call it the first type of a process essay. So in this graphic organizer, the first graphic organizer, the body paragraph, only one body paragraph, and we can call as a long body paragraph. So as you can see here, my body paragraph only one of my process essay. It's long body paragraph. So the in long body paragraph consists all of the steps or stage in the correct chronological order. Start from the first steps or stage till last steps or stage. So as you can see here, dalam menyajikan sebuah body paragraph untuk essay process of a process essay, so kita harus menyajikan setiap step atau tahap-tahap dari proses yang yang akan kita jelaskan itu urutannya benar. So the correct chronological order. So as you in my body paragraph of my process essay, I use transition signal to help me explain every stage of process to how to build the self-confidence. So as you can see here, I use transition signal of word, so like this. Dengan adanya transition signal ini, pembaca dapat mengetahui chronological ordernya, jadi urutan kejadian dari suatu proses, bagaimana membuat sesuatu hal atau bagaimana melakukan sesuatu hal, seperti itu. Dan di sini saya menggunakan transition signal of word, sehingga saya long body paragraph saya correct chronological order. So and then next transition signal, this as you can see, like this is transition signal of word, and this next, and the last. So that's all my transition signal. Alright friends, the last part of a process essay is a concluding paragraph. So in concluding paragraph consists of an essay conclusion. So in this concluding paragraph contains the final comments of the writer on the topic of its process essay. So di sini in my concluding paragraph I put my final comment about my topic.
Alright everyone, that's all of my explanation about my process essay. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Bye.